Welcome to Equipment or Marketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Freightliner with a 25-foot by 102 steel bed, universal mounting kit, folks. 173,000 miles, 330 horsepower, Cummins engine. Beautiful unit, folks. As you can see, refurb steel rim, brand new rubber, brakes are 80% to new. The unit has been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted underneath. As we come around here to the passenger side, we have a brand new buyer's toolbox. On the rear, steel refurbed outer rim, excellent tire condition, 80% to new all the way around. Rear brakes are 80% to new. Air Ride suspension. On this bed, we have a universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, a Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. Just take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see the available lifts we have and anything future we have coming. All of our trucks and trailers get brand new straps on them. As you can see, rim condition on the outer has been refurbed. Excellent condition. Beautiful tire condition all the way around this unit. 75-gallon aluminum tank. Beautiful unit. Cummins 330 horsepower automatic transmission. As we climb up in here, you can see Air Ride, driver's seat, bench. 330 horsepower, beautiful unit, folks. Dump suspension, rear lock, heated mirrors, and engine brake. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. We have several 2020 Freightliners available and a few 17s and 18s. Our number 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.